Mother's Month, show who gave you life, Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video, I'll show you from where you can get this viral add your sticker and how you can make your own chain story with it. So keep on watching. First of all, you will have to click on the search icon from the top of the screen and search for Ali and John YTT. Once you get here, you will have to go to May add yours at highlights. If you go to my story, then you have to know that the story will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find it there. But if you go to May add yours at highlights, you will definitely find it. Click on May add yours at highlights. And if the highlights are not loading, don't worry because I have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below so you can fix this problem. Now we just have to click on the add yours button. And also, if you are not able to click on the add yours button, I have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below. Now we just have to go to our uploads and choose a photo with our mother. I will go with a random photo from Google and I will share this with your friends, with my friends. So guys, if you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section down below and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. You can also like this video if it was useful, it will help me a lot. And you can also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.